Now I am show how to download your dream website. First of all, you visit Promiseweb IT and download website. You look the same similar interface here, and now I download this website. First of all, click download button and enter your name, enter your email, enter your phone number, and send OTP button. Click send OTP button. Now simply wait and open your email. Please wait few minutes. Now you look the mail, verification code Promiseweb IT. Open mail and your email verification code is. Now you enter your code and download now. Download now. Click download. Download anyway, and your website file is download here. Then you go to your website and you need the this plugin, migration plugin, all-in-one backup and migration. Click here and download this file. I am not download because my this plugin is already downloaded, and I not download this file because this file is already downloaded my computer. Then I go to our website. First I install all-in-one XGB plugin. So go to our WordPress dashboard, plugin, and add plugin. Click here, upload plugin. Then you select the plugin and open. Install now. Active plugin. Then you look the sidebar menu, all-in-one WP migrate. Click to input file, and you input your file here. Sometime this wait few minutes. Settings and edit the Promiseweb ID and click the website username, copy, and here username paste. Click the website password, copy, and here paste and login. Thanks for watching video.